Hey guys, so this is the Samsung Galaxy J3. This is what I will be unboxing. Now, this is the first time I have done an unboxing video, so don't judge me. So anyways, the packaging contains obviously the phone, the battery, the charger, the wall charger, the quick start guide, and the smart switch guide. Now, I know that this is from 2018 because it clearly says there. I don't know if you can see that, but it shows 2018. So this is the 2018 version. So yeah, I will be opening this. And we're gonna see what's inside. Okay, ooh. Okay, so we have here the phone. Right here. Right here is the phone itself. Look at that. So I'm just gonna show you that. Okay, nice. Now let's just take this off. Okay, look at that. Alright, so you have your cameras right here with the Samsung branding, of course. You have the volume. You obviously have your home button and your multitasking button and your back button. And here is the front camera, of course. And I'm pretty sure that small hole is, I guess, I think that's the mic. One of the mics. There's a mic here. And then this is the flash. Alright. So I have unboxed the phone. So just gonna dig in. Quick start guide. I don't need that. Here is the wall charger, of course. This is important. And then this is your, it's the USB port. And then you have here the battery. Now, the battery's here because this is a removable back. If you can't tell, you can actually remove it. See, look, there it is right there. That's where you remove it. Alright. So, this is all the accessories here. There's the box. I showed you the box. So there you go. So yeah, I have finished unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.